Okay, good afternoon, one and all. So we will discuss today another new topic from the third chapter. So the topic name is define nationality. Explain the essential element of nationality. So this question is very important for us. Why? Because it is a long answer, 10 marks. So this question will be repeated so many times from annual exams. So and also from the third chapter, this topic is a last top. This topic is a last of the third chapter. So after when I can completed this topic, so we will discuss to another topic from the fourth chapter. So yesterday I was finished uh, national self determinations one, and also what is the meaning of nationalism, and what is the meaning of nationality, and what is the meaning of nation. So already we have discussed from the previous classes, and also here uh, here we will discuss today define nationality and describe the essential element of nationality. So you can write some more definitions. Some more definitions we have nationality. So here you can write now first nationality definitions. Nationality definitions. These all definitions very easy. So you can write these definitions from the annual examinations moments. So nationality definitions. Nationality definitions. Nationality definitions. First definitions: a group of people, a group of people of the same race, religion, religion, traditions, 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 etc. So it has one of the simple definitions. A group of people of the same race and religion, tradition, etc. So this is it is a nationality. It is a nationality. Example. She has British community. She has British community. British community. Example, you can see where is the same elements, same features will be there, nationality features. So it is going to become a nationality. So here one simple common definition of the nationality: a group of people of the same race, religion, tradition, common history, common culture, etc. It is called the nationality. You can write this definition from the examinations movement. And also you can write example already I have mentioned. Example, she has British community. She has British community. And the next definition, second definition, the official rights, official rights, official right to belong to a particular country, particular country. So the official right to belong to a particular country. This also simple one line definition of the nationality. One line definition of the nationality. And next another definition of the nationality. After end of the definitions, so we will discuss elements of the nationality, elements of the nationality, and third definitions of the nationality. A people having having common origins, common origins, common origins, are traditions, and often constituting a nation. This also one of the nationality definition. And fourth definition, the status of belonging to a particular nation by origin, birth or naturalizations. So here we will discuss two remaining definitions of the nationality. A people having common origins or traditions and often constituting a nation. This is also one of the definitions of the nationality. And the status of belonging to a particular nations by origin, birth or naturalizations. So this is also one of the simple common definition of the nationality. So you can see from the here many countries, you can write now this, many countries many countries many countries many countries are named are named are named after their nationality or race. For example, Hindustan after Hindu. Afghanistan after Afghans. Denmark, Danes. Germany, Germans. Britain, British. Sweden, Swedes, Swedish. Okay, so here many countries are named after their nationality or race basis. So many countries it was formed as per race basic, as per common culture, common race, common residence or geography, uh, common residence, and also common religion. So some of the element of the nationality. So as per the element basic, some countries it was formed same elements basic. Example, we have the number of countries. Which countries it was formed as per race basic, as per nationality basic. But I can mention from the board only few. Hindustan, our country before what is the name? Hindustan. Hindustan means high percent of the populations have in India Hindus, Hindu religion. 80% populations will be there only in India. Remaining 20% population will be there. Left of the 20% Christian religion peoples, Sikh, Buddha, Muslim peoples, Zoroastrian, etc. but 80% populations occupied in India Hindu religion. That's why ancient period it is called Hindustan. Hindustan after later changed Hindu, and Afghanistan. Afghanistan it was changed after race basic Afghans. What is that? Afghans. Denmark, Danes. Germany, Germans. Britain, British. Sweden, Swedish. So this is some examples of the race basic some state it was formed from the different places. But India not have the same elements of the nationality. So we will discuss continually what is the elements of the nationality. So you can write now what is the elements of nationality. Essential. This is one of the side heading of the our subject because our topic it will begin first introduction, second definition, third is a main points, fourth is a conclusion. We have the 10 marks and 5 marks answer, 4 steps. How to write answer without siding, without introduction, without definition, without conclusion. Don't write don't write longly because side headings is important. Our subject have some side headings. So as per side heading base you can write from the annual examinations. So except 2 marks, not required, not necessary, not need. Write of the introduction, write of the conclusions, etc. You can write direct answer to particularly 2 marks only. Remaining 5 marks, remaining 10 marks. Better to you can write introduction first, second step definitions, third is the main points, fourth is the conclusions. So we have the 100 marks paper, 10 marks, 5 marks and 2 marks only. Our paper pattern system will be there, 10 marks firstly. We have the 5 bits from the question paper, but you can attempt only 3 bits out of 5 only. And next 5 marks, it will be mentioned from the paper 12, but you can mention only, you can write only 8 bits out of 12 bits. And lastly 20 bits, but you can write 15 bits. The last is very short answers, 2 marks. And medium answer is 5 marks. Last is first is a 40 lines, 10 marks, long answers. So this is a paper pattern system, our subject. So time of the duration is 3 hours only. From the 10th class you have only 2 hours 30 minutes. But intermediate you can write any subject from the CEC. 5 subjects we have presently: civics, economics, and commerce, and Telugu and second language. So duration of the period only 3 hours. Either you completed or not completed, but we have only 3 hours. 100 marks paper. So here essential elements of nationality. Okay, this is a side heading. So this is a side heading. So you can write here elements that promote the feelings of nationality are as follows. First side heading. This is the main heading. So we can write here all side headings. First side heading: geographical unity or common residence common residence. First side heading. And second side heading: common language. Third is a common tradition tradition and culture and culture. Fourth, common political aspirations. Common political aspirations. And fifth is a fourth, is a fifth. Common history. Common history. Common history. And sixth side is common governments. Common governments and common administration. Common administrations. Common administration. Common administration. And the seventh side is, you can write here. Seventh side is common religion. Common religion. Last side is common interest. Okay, so we have the totally number of side headings from this topic. Which topic? Essential elements of nationality. What is the topic? Essential element of nationality. Before we have discussed the topic is I already gave some definitions. Common, simple definitions of the nationality. So you can write 4 or 5 definitions. What I give. And after you can write before the beginning of the answer introduction. Nationality, that English word derived from the natio, from Latin word. Natio means to be decent or to be birth. That is the introduction. And second you can write 3 or 4 such definitions. Either any political scientist can be proposed their ideas, you can write the definitions. There is no any political scientist not proposal any definitions of the nationality. You can write simple common definition. Common definitions. Already I gave 4 definitions before. After you can write essential element of nationality. It is a this is a main heading of this topic. This all is a subheadings. Essential element of nationality. Elements that promote the feelings of nationality are as follows. First, what is the side heading? Geographical unity. Geographical unity or common residence. Common residence. Second, common language. Third, common tradition and culture. And fourth, common political aspirations. Fifth, common history. Sixth, common government and common administration. Seventh, common religion. What is a common religion? Eighth, common interests. Common interests. So common interests. So we have the totally number of side headings from this topic. Totally 8 topics will be there. 8 main topics. So after when we have completed these 8 topics, 8 headings, subheadings. After you can write lastly conclusion. Conclusion, you can write your own ideas, own thoughts. What I am saying, you can. This is a answer. Answers pro forma. Answers how to write. I am explaining to you. So first introduction. Second some of the definition. Third main points. Fourth is a conclusion. Main points means these are all the main points of our subjects. So we will discuss in first geographical unity or common residence. Example, you can see so many countries it was formed these features only. Example, Germany, Italy and Pakistan, Afghanistan and Denmark, Switzerland, New Zealand, Australia. So many countries. I'm telling only some countries. So many countries it was formed only these feature basic to there. But what about India? India have the only some features, not have the all features. India not a single common language. We have a different common language. We will discuss uh, from the what is the difference India and other countries. Don't worry. So first of all, geographical unity or common residence. Example, you can see you go back from Second World War period. Second World War period. 1939 to 1945. 1939 to 1945. Second World War period, that is it. What about First World War, when it was begin in the world? The war it was begin since 1914. 1914. It was end 1918. So we saw two world wars. First is a First World War, second is a Second World War. So here we will discuss now geographical unity or common regions. So that time what happened? Italian ruler Benito Mussolini as a ruler of Italy, and Germany ruler Adolf Hitler says Adolf Hitler are also one of the main creator causes of the First World War and Second World War. Yes or no? So already we have studied from the 10th class First World War and Second World War. What is the causes? What is the results? So Hitler was only believe only his race only. He believe only his race only. So he cannot be supported other religion and other religion peoples, and he cannot be supported other races. So his race name is Nazism, Nazi, because he never be encouraged to other races in the part of the Germany. So he was killed so many other religious peoples because only one religion will be required to his country. That is a Nazi race. What is the race? Nazi race. So when it was possible, so he was not given permission to foreigners from his country. So common residence it was formed. When common residence or geographical unity will be there, all are be living as per samely. Of course, economical basic it will be different from the status level, but all are the same people are living from the territory. There is no any differences. Height, skull, color, it will be different to different man. But I am not saying to that physical differences. I am saying to here geographically entire part of the German only same race people are living. So it is one of the strength of the nationality. It is a element. It is one of the strongest element of the nationality. It is one of the strongest element of the nationality. So geographical unity or common resident will be there. The people so will living from the part of the territory. So they belong to their homeland or motherland. Why? Because different places they are living, but they are moving as a one. Because this country, it is our country. This is our homeland. This is our motherland. So they belong to their own country. So it was increased by nationalism feelings by Adolf Hitler. It also strength of the patriotism. That's why common residence is very important. You can see in India, we have the number of different religious people, different culture, different custom traditions and festivals. Everything will be different to different in the part of our country because we have the mm, totally 29 states. These 29 states people they have their own customs and traditions. So these people they given the first priority their customs and tradition. Yes or no? You also, as per your custom traditions, how is there your family you are also following. I am also following my custom traditions, how is there, as per my family. So everybody will be given good priority to their own customs and traditions. But India is not their common regions because Not why it is not there, because we different religious peoples are living. This is only same features where it will be there. The same features where it will be there. It is called the nationality. Understand? Where the same features will be there, it is called the nationality. So already before I gave some examples. Germany, Hindustan, that is the Hindustan means Hindus. That's not a nationality. We have the multi features. India also multi features. USA also multi features will be there. USSR, of course, USSR not there now. Union Soviet Socialist Russia will be divided. Russian revaluations, it was formed USSR, but 1991 what happened? Russia divided. Russia capital now Moscow, but USA and India and some big countries not have the single features of the nationality. We have the double features, more features. So why it was formed, we will discuss. Don't worry. So this is a geographical unity or common residence. Common language. Yes. So common language means where is a one country will be there. Totally high percentage of the populations they can speak only one language by national level. So it is the strength of the peoples. It is a unity of the people. So because one language will be there, entire part of the country. So there is no another language. So the people can be understand by easily one language. Where is a multi-language will be there, not understand. So it also one of the strength of the nationality. Example, you can see Afghanistan and China, Pakistan, Japan, Germany, New Zealand, Sweden, and Maldives have the high percentage of the language of the people. China also has the high percent of the people will be there. Only China, official language of China. 80% peoples they can speak only Chinese language only. What about India? Tell me, Indians will be spoke to different languages. Regional language will be different. National language will be different. Because you don't compare to China and India. India is become a multi-language system. We have formed multi-language systems. Some countries have only single language system. Only official language, only one. Of course, our Indian constitution also recognized 22 languages in the part of the our country. But non-recognized languages, we have like more than 1500 languages. Some languages there is no script. Some languages there is no script. So there is a high percentage of the peoples they can speak one single language. It is the strength of the country. It is the strength of the nationality. It is the strength of the nationality. So that's why common language will be there now. We can find it where only some countries, small countries, have these features. So what about India? You don't imagine India because India has a multi-language system. Multi-language system we have. So that's why only single features where it will be exist, it will be there. So it is called the nationality. Common traditions culture. Yes. What about Pakistan? What about Afghanistan? So you can see from Afghanistan and Pakistan, high percent of the population will be there. Muslim peoples are there, 80 to 90%. So they can celebrating everything by samely customs and traditions, because high percentage of the populations one Muslim religion will be there. So all peoples can done by same features. Of course, somebody will be there from other races, but not affected. High percentage of the peoples where which country have they become a celebrating as per customs and traditions by samely. Whatever India, we don't have single custom traditions. We have the different customs and traditions in India. So you don't compare to Pakistan, India. Why? Because India is a superior, one of the greatest country in the world. So we don't be imagination to some other country to India. India will be different to other countries. Okay. So that's why common traditions, culture, where is same features, same customs, traditions, beliefs, morality, ethics, and festivals will be celebrating by the entire part of the people by samely. It is the strength of the nationality. It is the strength of the nationality. It is the strength of the country. Okay. And next, common political aspirations. Yes, because political aspirations. One country will be there. Definitely, one ruler will be referred to the part of the territory. Because ruler is not there, there is no government. So high percent of the people, high percent of the people worrying about their own, worrying about society, worrying about the country. Because one element is not there. Which element of the state? State has the four elements: population, government, territory, and sovereignty. One element is not there. It was not there means government is not working from one territory. So government is not there. So who will protecting of the country? Nobody protecting to us. Nobody protect the country. Yes or no? So that's why government is necessary, required of the one country. So one government when it was formed to one territory, definitely as per political aspirations desire. So entire of the population, they will cooperate in the government. They can cooperate in the government, and they can build by their own one government their required purpose. So these are also common political aspirations. Common history. Common history means every country has one common history. Example, India also has one common history because you go back Indian history. History means it was explaining to us past events. So you go back Indian history. So many rulers, some different dynasty rulers ruled by our country. Mughal dynasty, Maurya dynasty, and Gupta dynasty, so and so. So we will discuss tomorrow remaining left of the topics. Thank you one and all.